We're going to have to go to the test functions, so we're going to hit enter to get out of terminal. We'll go down to system parameter, hit enter, down to settings, enter. We're looking for test functions, enter. Security code, you hit enter, and to do this, 9, enter, up 2, enter, 8, enter, 9. Enter and enter. Okay. Now use the down to go to the various settings. PO adjust, just hit enter twice. That will save the default. PO adjust 108. So you would check that. Now you go down to the offset adjust, just hit enter twice and you'll record 139. See if that matches. And enter, you can save it. The gain adjust, hit twice, and then match that with the gain adjust. To get out of all of this, you just hit and hold the enter key down and it takes you all the way to the back and you can put it in terminal mode.